All right, let's do an urgent real-time Bitcoin and stock market forecast. Looks like we're going to go down for the next couple days, maybe even a week, because of this. You see how this is where we are in the stock market. This is where we are in crypto total market cap. This is where we are in Bitcoin. This is where we are in Ethereum. But I'm going to show you this in detail in a second, Bitcoin and Ethereum. But let's start with the S&P 500 because that really controls everything. Now remember, Bitcoin has gone up while S&P 500 has gone down. So I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm just saying it doesn't look like it's going to happen right now. It looks like everything is going to move in the same direction, which is down right now. And here's why. This is the S&P 500. This is from, what was it, 2 years ago, pre-COVID, I think. What year was that? Yeah, no, this is, 2022, about a year and a half ago. This is the peak. We dipped. Thanks to interest rates and the Fed raising interest rates. And then we started reapproaching the top here. You see how we started reapproaching the top? We got really, really close to the top, but then the next time we got up to this level, we printed a lower high. And now, what did we do? We printed a higher high than the last time, which this particular price right here perfectly corresponds to these red circles. Do you see these red circles? Let me show you. I'll zoom in closer. These prices. When there was a surge, we broke past, but when there wasn't as much strength, we stopped right there. We stopped right there. When there was a lot of strength, we surged past, but then we got rejected and we stopped right there a couple times. So, and even here, we stopped right here. This is kind of a magic number. I don't know why this is a magic number. Except for the fact that for whales, it appears that 4585 is a magic number. And again, we reached 4585 and then we just didn't pass it. So this is actually a perfect harmonic for a dump because we hit the medium strength resistance and didn't break through. Then we broke medium strength resistance and then we didn't quite get to medium strength resistance. And now we went right in between. So we hit Ray and then we hit Do and then, Mi. We hit Mi and then we hit Do and this is Ray for Do, Re, Mi music fans. So that's about it. All you have to do is clear a higher high than the last one, and the last one has to be a lower high than the previous one, and then you end up breaking everybody's stops, and when everyone's stops are triggered, you go down. And not only that, but we're at diagonal resistance as well. Diagonal resistance generally calls for 618 or 786 retrace, which would be down to here. Now this is what I'm going to do. Let me zoom into this red circle so that you can see a little bit more clearly what I'm talking about. Zooming in. Zooming in. And let's stretch this up a little farther. Okay, red circle time. Red circle, let's zoom in even farther, closer. Okay, and let's zoom in even better than that. Okay, so what did we do? Inside the red circle, you can see we have a bearish rising channel with 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch, 6 touches, and then we got rejected at the end. So I mean, bam, 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 bam. And we're underneath, we retested, and then we did a double retest, and it's still a lower high. You see the second high is still a lower high. And this looks like just a 786 retest because we had such a fast move. Boom, boom, this wick. Wicks generally get retested up to 786, or 78.6% of the total height. And it looks like the head is pointing downwards right now, so we should head down now. Which means that if you're into Asian stocks, you have a couple minutes to sell everything. Now, having said that, what does Bitcoin look like? Bitcoin kind of looks the same. This black line, I'm not going to zoom out and show you where that black line goes, but anyway, we're having a hard time getting past that. We got rejected once, we got rejected again, now we retested it, and we're just kind of bouncing around. Same with Ethereum. This is ETH. Ethereum is trying to get back above this green line, and it looks like it just retested and it's failing. Where is that green line going? What is it from? I'm not going to show you. There's no time. But you can draw it and you can find out. So everything looks like it is going to officially dip on us. If you, to get these signals literally 24 hours a day, you really need to join us here in our community, code-fi.com/OTC_Bitcoin. That's me, code-fi.com, OTC_Bitcoin. If you join any one of our tiers, you'll get all the moves up and down. If you just hit tip and you donate $15, you're going to get every single big move, every single top and every single bottom. If you hit any of the tiers, then you're going to get all the moves in between. And if you hit the gold tier, you're going to get leverage. So if your money is important to you and you want to make money with us trading all day long, join our community. Let's make you rich. That's what I'm here for.